Hey there, LBCC. Let's take a look at how to find and use your program map. So I'm going to start from the LBCC homepage at linn-benton.edu. The fastest way to find your program map is by going to Educational Options and then to Areas of Study. What you'll see here is a list of LBCC's meta majors and each program that falls within that meta. So you can see from agriculture, there are a couple of different programs here. I am most interested in the business meta, specifically the business administration program. It'll lead me to a quick overview of business administration. I'm going to view all degrees and certificates that come from this program. So you can see a list of options of all degrees that LBCC has to offer in business administration has popped up here. I can see that there's a business administration associate of science degree, an AAOT degree, a practical business management degree, and a merchandising management degree. I am most interested in the business administration emphasis, for Associate of Science, to transfer to Oregon State University easily. Once you know which major you would like to look at, you can say Open Program Path. This right here that pops up in a new window is your program map. So this is just basically a general guide to what you might want to take and when, as suggested and recommended by faculty, that will get you through the business administration degree in the shortest amount of time possible. You can see that the courses are laid out by term here. There's a general plan within each term. And you can go through sequentially. You can see there are some roadmaps here about like what you might want to do and when in your college career. So between fall and winter term of your first year, you should meet with your assigned advisor. It tells you things like when you should apply for the degree partnership program or graduation at LBCC, and just everything like that. If I click on a node here, you can see that there is a suggested list of courses. So this is calculated out at 15 credits per term. A full-time schedule at LBCC is between 12 and 16 credits. So the 15 credits is just sort of an average designed to get you through the curriculum as fast as possible. This is a recommended list of courses that you could possibly take during your first term that would get you off to a good start. So I can see if I click on each course, it'll show me what the title is, the credits, and a quick summary of what the course is. I'm going to say go back here and see what other options I have. I think I want a more custom view of my path, so I'm going to say explore your path here. What this lets me do is select my starting level in math and writing. So this is important just to get a more customized view of where you're at and what levels you can move through. I'm going to start out at Math 95 and Writing 121. So you can see that my options changed a little bit here. If I selected Writing 115, you can see it changes a little bit again. And the amount of time that you spend in school changes a little bit based on your starting point. This is a slightly different view of the program map, so you can see from this view, all the courses have already been laid out, and you can see kind of a more generalized list of courses here. If I select each option, so you can see our Business Foundations course again, appears much the same way as the previous view. You can see again the description of the course, how many credits it's worth, and how this course fulfills a degree requirement for your program. So I can see that Writing 121 English Composition fulfills a writing composition requirement. Each course listed on here will fulfill a degree requirement for this chosen major. And all degree requirements are accounted for within this list of classes. You can also see there's a little drop down arrow here. This is interesting, so let's check that out. This is a class where you have options. So a lot of different options can fulfill a certain degree requirement. So I can see I can take Religions of the Eastern World, or I can click on this drop down menu and choose from another of this list that might also fulfill the same requirement. So I could also take World Region Geography, and see that it also fills the cultural diversity requirement of my business administration degree. There are a couple of different options here, again, or options for many different things. So I can see that Writing 122 argumentation would fulfill the Writing 2 requirement for this degree. as would Writing 123 and Writing 227. So you have some customization available for what you take and when you take it, and what kind of classes you would take as your or options. So yeah, this is just a little bit about your program map. If you have any questions about it, always contact your advisor. You can make a plan with your advisor to plan out what you want to take and when, and how fast you want to go through degree requirements.